Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I did an ocean with a night sky. It's obviously abstract. I had colors left over from the painting I did right before this one, so I wanted to use those up, and I thought it would look kind of cool. So it's the exact same colors as I'm sorry, I'm getting over being sick, so I can't laugh. So it's the exact same colors as the last painting, except I put some ocean colors at the bottom. So I usually explain how I do this, but like I said, I'm getting over being sick. Still not feeling 100%, so I'm going to keep this intro super short. I did want to say though, a couple people have asked about the dried results. This one, I won't have dried results. I just did it about 10 minutes ago. It's Sunday. I need to have this posted for Monday. But next week, next Monday, I promise I will have the dried and resined results in that video. As always, creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after me. Their videos and channels are in the description below, so please check them out. In the description is also the pouring medium recipe I'm using, all the colors, a whole bunch of different information, and some discount codes. So check those out as well. I appreciate you guys being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.